Number 1. 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $5,000, Ludlow, Massachusetts. This 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 is a custom-built ironhead that blends classic Harley styling with old-school chopper character. Finished in red and equipped with a custom wide-tire swing arm setup, the bike carries the raw personality that made 1970 Sportsters so popular among custom motorcycle builders. The Ironhead engine remains one of Harley-Davidson's most recognizable vintage power plants, thanks to its unmistakable sound and strong low-end feel. According to the seller, nearly every part of the motorcycle has been gone through, with reportedly more than $10,000 invested into the build over time. The bike is also described as very reliable for regular riding, and typically starts within 1 or 2 kicks, despite being kickstart only. For buyers looking for a vintage Harley with custom style and strong road presence, this Sportster offers a very traditional old-ski riding experience. Number 2. 1974 Honda CB750K, $4,500, Downingtown, Pennsylvania. The 1974 Honda CB750K remains one of the most influential Japanese motorcycles ever produced, helping redefine performance and reliability during the 1970s. Finished in brown and showing just 4,640 original miles, this example appears to retain much of its original character while benefiting from recent maintenance and servicing. The CB750 became famous for its smooth inline-4 engine, comfortable ride quality, and dependable performance that helped establish Honda as a major force in the motorcycle industry. According to the seller, the bike starts easily and rides very well after receiving several updates, including cleaned carburetors, new fuel lines, a new battery, fresh tires, and a new chain. While described as a rider-quality motorcycle with some pitting and exhaust wear, the overall presentation still appears very honest and well-preserved. For riders searching for an iconic vintage Honda with low mileage and classic 1970 styling, this CB750K offers strong value and timeless appeal. Number 3. 1976 Triumph Bonneville 750 T140, $5,200, Baltimore, Maryland. This 1976 Triumph Bonneville 750 T140 is a classic British twin that combines timeless styling with several practical upgrades for improved reliability and everyday riding. Showing under 15,000 miles, the motorcycle retains a very original appearance, along with attractive factory chrome that continues to give the bike a clean vintage look. The Bonneville series became one of Triumph's most respected motorcycles, thanks to its smooth power delivery, balanced handling, and unmistakable British personality. According to the seller, the bike runs and rides well while benefiting from upgraded Amel Premier carburetors and a Boyer electronic ignition system. Those updates help improve starting and overall rideability while still preserving the traditional character of the motorcycle. For buyers looking for a classic Triumph that balances originality with usable performance, this T140 presents a very appealing vintage British riding experience. Number 4. 1966 Suzuki 250 X6 Hustler, $2,400, Katanning, Pennsylvania. The 1966 Suzuki X6 Hustler became one of the most famous small-displacement motorcycles of its era, thanks to its impressive performance and advanced engineering. Powered by a lively 2-stroke twin engine paired with a 6-speed transmission, the X6 earned a reputation as one of the fastest 250cc motorcycles in the world during the mid-1960s. Its lightweight design and sporty character also made it a popular platform for cafe racer builds over the years. According to the seller, this example includes a title but will need a battery and timing adjustment before returning fully to the road. The X6 remains an important part of Suzuki's early performance history and even gained recognition among collectors, including enthusiasts like Jay Leno. For buyers searching for a rare and historically significant Japanese two-stroke, this Hustler offers plenty of vintage charm and collector appeal. Number 5. 1980 Moto Guzzi Monza V50, $2,000, Rhinebeck, New York. This 1980 Moto Guzzi Monza V52i is a lightweight Italian sport touring motorcycle known for its unique styling and distinctive V-twin engine layout. Finished in red and showing just over 3,000 miles, the Monza V50 reflects the smaller displacement European motorcycles that became popular for their balanced handling and engaging riding feel. Moto Guzzi models from this era continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate unusual engineering and classic Italian character. According to the seller, the motorcycle has received brand new tires and remains in good overall condition for its age, although it has not been run in several years. Its low mileage and largely preserved appearance make it an interesting candidate for light recommissioning or vintage collection use. For buyers searching for an affordable and uncommon Italian classic, this Moto Guzzi offers a distinctive alternative to more common vintage motorcycles. Number 6. 1982 Kawasaki KZ1000 Custom, $2,000, Belleville, Ohio. This 1982 Kawasaki KZ1000 Custom is a heavily personalized vintage muscle bike that combines classic KZ performance with custom cafe-inspired styling. Finished in black, the motorcycle features a custom fabricated tail section, wrapped four-header exhaust setup, custom fairing, and clubman handlebars that give it a very aggressive old-school appearance. The KZ1000 became famous for its strong inline-four engine and high-performance reputation during the late 1970s and early 1980s. According to the seller, the bike runs, rides, and stops while benefiting from many recent updates, including rebuilt carburetors, new tires, a new chain, spark plugs, battery, clutch cable, and pod filters. The motorcycle reportedly sat for more than 30 years before being carefully brought back to life over the winter. While it still has a slight throttle stumble and may eventually need fork seals, this KZ1000 offers plenty of vintage performance and custom personality for the price. Number 7. 1974 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $4,000, New Oxford, Pennsylvania. This 1974 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 is a classic Ironhead-era Harley with low mileage and traditional old-school styling. Showing just over 6,500 miles, the bike has reportedly been garage-kept throughout ownership and still carries the unmistakable character that made 1970s Sportsters so popular. The Ironhead engine remains one of Harley-Davidson's most recognizable vintage power plants, thanks to its deep sound and raw riding feel. According to the seller, the motorcycle ran when parked but has not been ridden in approximately 12 years. The front brake system currently needs attention, possibly related to the master cylinder, although the front caliper is said to be newer. For buyers searching for a low-mile vintage Harley project with strong potential and classic American V-twin character, this Sportster presents an appealing opportunity. Number 8. 1975 Yamaha XS500B, $2,000, Lidditz, Pennsylvania. The 1975 Yamaha XS500B is a lightweight vintage twin-cylinder motorcycle known for its comfortable cruising nature and approachable riding experience. Finished in red and showing around 12,000 miles, this Yamaha reflects the simple and enjoyable character that made many Japanese motorcycles of the 1970s so popular with everyday riders. Its manageable size and classic styling continue to make the XS500 an attractive choice for vintage motorcycle enthusiasts today. According to the seller, the bike has been a fun and reliable cruiser over the last several years and is considered a great starter motorcycle. While the electric starter works inconsistently and the carburetor setup occasionally causes minor rideability issues at steady speeds, the motorcycle remains rideable and still features a functional kickstarter. For buyers looking for an affordable vintage Japanese bike with classic personality, this XS500B offers a relaxed and nostalgic riding experience. Number 9. 1974 BMW R60/6, $4,200, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This 1974 BMW R60/6 is a classic Airhead-era touring motorcycle, known for its smooth boxer engine, balanced handling, and long-distance comfort. Finished in black and showing 44,000 miles, the bike represents the dependable engineering and understated styling that helped BMW develop a loyal following during the 1970s. The R60/6 became especially respected for its comfortable road manners and durable design suited for extended highway riding. According to the seller, the motorcycle comes with a clean title, along with documented mechanical history from current ownership. The bike also includes side bags and a front fairing that add extra touring practicality while maintaining its classic appearance. For riders searching for a vintage European motorcycle with timeless styling and everyday usability, this BMW offers a very traditional and enjoyable airhead experience. Number 10. 1977 Kawasaki KZ400, $3,250, Harpswell, Maine. This 1977 Kawasaki KZ400 is a thoughtfully customized vintage Japanese motorcycle that blends classic styling with several modern upgrades for improved comfort and convenience. Finished in flat black, the bike features custom saddlebags, LED lighting, updated gauges, a steering stabilizer, and a Mikuni VM30 carburetor kit. The KZ400 became popular for its lightweight feel, dependable twin-cylinder engine, and approachable riding character during the late 1970s. According to the seller, the motorcycle has been well-maintained and currently has no known problems. Additional upgrades include partial rewiring, updated hand controls, a tire pressure monitoring system, and even modern accessories like a USB charging setup and phone holder. For buyers searching for a vintage Kawasaki with classic looks and everyday practicality, this customized KZ400 offers a unique blend of retro style and modern usability. Number 11. 1972 Triumph Bonneville 650 T120R, $4,600, Sanford, Maine. This 1972 Triumph Bonneville 650 T120R is a clean and mostly original British twin that still carries the timeless style that made the Bonneville name legendary. Finished in gold and showing around 33,000 miles, the bike represents the classic era of Triumph motorcycles, known for their balanced handling, strong parallel twin engine, and unmistakable vintage character. Original, unrestored Bonnevilles like this continue to be highly appreciated by riders and collectors alike. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs and looks great while benefiting from rebuilt carburetors, new brakes, and new tires installed last year. The bike reportedly starts within 1 or 2 kicks and comes with paperwork including a transferable registration and previous Texas title. For buyers searching for a ready-to-enjoy vintage British motorcycle, this T120R offers classic Bonneville charm and authentic old-school appeal. Number 12. 1980 Yamaha XS1100 Special, $2,700, Oak Island, North Carolina. The 1980 Yamaha XS1100 Special is a powerful vintage Japanese cruiser known for its strong inline-4 engine and comfortable highway performance. Finished in yellow and showing approximately 26,000 miles, this XS1100 reflects the era when Japanese manufacturers were building larger displacement motorcycles capable of both long-distance touring and everyday riding. The XS1100 became especially respected for its smooth power delivery and solid reliability. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs and looks great while also receiving several recent upgrades, including new paint, a Jardine 4-in-1 exhaust, new tires, a new battery, and cleaned and synchronized carburetors. The combination of classic styling and strong performance continues to make the XS1100 a favorite among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. For buyers wanting an affordable classic muscle bike with touring comfort, this Yamaha presents a very attractive option. Number 13. 1978 Vespa Piaggio 125cc, $3,850, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This 1978 Vespa Piaggio 125cc is a classic Italian scooter that captures the simple charm and timeless design that helped make Vespa famous worldwide. Finished in red and showing approximately 7,800 miles, the scooter still retains its original patina, giving it the authentic appearance many vintage scooter enthusiasts appreciate. Vespa models from the 1970s became icons of urban transportation thanks to their lightweight handling, practical design, and unmistakable styling. According to the seller, the scooter remains in great mechanical condition and runs and drives as it should, with all systems reportedly functioning properly. Its preserved originality and classic Italian personality make it an appealing choice for collectors and casual riders alike. For buyers searching for a vintage scooter with true European character, this Vespa offers a fun and stylish riding experience. Number 14. 1966 Triumph T120 Bonneville, $4,500, Chattanooga, Tennessee. The 1966 Triumph T120 Bonneville is one of the most iconic British motorcycles of the 1960s. Known for its lightweight performance, classic styling, and strong twin-cylinder engine. This black example features extended forks that give it a period custom look, often associated with vintage chopper culture. The Bonneville name became legendary during this era thanks to its speed, handling, and popularity among riders on both sides of the Atlantic. According to the seller, the motorcycle was running when last ridden many years ago, and the engine still turns freely today. The bike also includes a title, shop manual, and a large collection of extra parts that could help with future restoration or recommissioning work. For enthusiasts searching for a vintage Triumph project with classic 1960s personality and custom old-school style, this T120 offers strong potential. Number 15. 1974 Honda CB125S, $600, Harrisonburg, Virginia. This 1974 Honda CB125S is a lightweight vintage motorcycle that reflects Honda's reputation for building simple, dependable, small displacement bikes during the 1970s. Finished in blue, the CB125S became popular for its approachable size, fuel efficiency, and easygoing riding manners that made it a favorite among beginner riders and commuters alike. Even today, these small Honda singles continue to attract enthusiasts looking for affordable vintage motorcycles. According to the seller, the motorcycle will run but currently needs additional timing adjustment to perform properly. The bike has already received a new carburetor and new tires, while compression is reportedly good. Although the front brakes and title are currently missing, this CB125S could still make an interesting project for someone looking to revive a classic small Honda with vintage charm.